cooking is simple. Do you know that cauliflower comes in 4 different colors? The stems and leaves are edible and nutritious. A large cauliflower has less calories than a muffin, so today I want to share our mashed cauliflower recipe. You will need 1 large cauliflower already cut, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, known sriracha powder, 1/2 tablespoon, pepper, water to boil the cauliflower. Boil the cauliflower until tender. Get the blender ready. Get the blender ready. Add cauliflower. Add your garlic. Then add your sriracha. Then add your cream cheese. Now blend. So yeah, add your pepper. Then add this. Here at Cooking with Joy, we wish you a
Happy 4th of July!
We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe, then click the bell icon for notification. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.